A penny, 1 cent, not even worth picking up off the sidewalk. Now imagine someone makes you an offer. They will give you a penny on day 1 and double it every single day for 30 days. Or they hand you $1 million in cash right now. Which do you take? Most people take the million, and they are wrong. The penny, doubled every day for 30 days, becomes $5,368,709. That is the power of compounding. Albert Einstein is often quoted calling it the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he said it or not, the math speaks for itself. Let us start with the basics. With simple interest, you only ever earn on your original amount. Put in $100 at 5%, you earn $5 a year. Every year, the same $5, nothing more. With compound interest, you earn on your original amount, plus every cent of return you have already made. Your gains generate gains. Your growth grows. At 1% monthly growth, $100 does not sound exciting at first. After 5 years, $181. After 10 years, $324. After 30 years, without adding a single new dollar, $3,000. Now let us apply this to real investing. The S&P 500 index has delivered an average annual return of approximately 10.5% since 1957. That includes every crash: 1987, 2000, 2008, 2020. In nominal terms, that is 10.5%. Adjusted for inflation, the real return, it is closer to 7 to 7.5%. We will use 10% for our calculations today and 7.5% for inflation-adjusted scenarios. Now meet the rule of 72. This is the fastest way to understand compounding in your head. Divide 72 by your annual interest rate, and you get the years it takes to double your money. At 8%, your money doubles every 9 years. At 10%, every 7.2 years. At 12%, every 6 years. At 6%, 12 years. What this means in practice: $10,000 at 10% doubles to $20,000 in 7 years. Then $40,000. Then $80,000. Then $160,000. For doublings, 28 years turns $10,000 into $160,000. Let us run the numbers that matter most. Scenario 1. You invest $500 a month starting at age 25. 10% annual return. You contribute until age 65. Your total contributions over 40 years, $240,000. Your ending balance, $3.1 million. You put in $240,000. Compounding added $2.9 million. Scenario 2. You wait until age 35. Same $500 a month. Same 10% return. Same age 65 finish line. You contribute for 30 years instead of 40. Your total contributions, $180,000, $60,000 less than scenario 1. Your ending balance, $1.1 million. The 10-year delay cost you $2 million. You contributed less and ended up with 65% less money. Now here is what makes this feel real. If you invest just $100 per month starting at age 22, that is less than $4 a day, and you earn a 7.5% real return, by age 65 you will have $1.1 million in today's purchasing power. Now let us talk about the cost of not investing. The average American savings account in 2026 pays about 0.5% annually. If you put $10,000 there for 30 years, you have $11,600. The same $10,000 invested in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund at 10% annual return over 30 years becomes $174,000. The savings account cost you over $163,000 in foregone growth. Compound interest works through 3 levers: time, rate of return, and contribution amount. Of these three, time is by far the most powerful. You cannot buy more time. You cannot negotiate more time. The difference between a 7% and a 9% return on $500 a month over 30 years is about $600,000. Significant, but smaller than the $2 million impact of starting 10 years earlier. Contribution frequency also matters, but less than people think. Investing weekly outperforms monthly by a small margin because your money spends more time in the market. But frequency is the smallest of the three levers. Compound interest does not reward intelligence. It does not reward market timing. It does not reward the investors who watch the most financial news. It rewards patience. It rewards consistency. And above all, it rewards starting early. A dollar invested at 25 is worth 8 times more than a dollar invested at 45 at a 10% annual return. Not 8% more, 8 times more. That is the eighth wonder of the world. Past performance is not indicative of future results. But the math of compounding is not a prediction, it is arithmetic. Give time enough room, and money will do things that feel like magic but are just numbers. If this video changed how you think about money, subscribe to WealthInFrames for more data-driven financial breakdowns. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions.